Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bank of Farmington mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bank of Farmington is a mobile banking app designed to help customers manage their finances securely and conveniently from their phones. The app allows users to check account balances, review recent transactions, transfer funds between accounts, and pay bills directly through the platform. It also includes mobile check deposit, letting you deposit checks by simply taking a photo. The app is available on both iOS and Android and supports secure login options such as passcodes and biometrics, depending on device compatibility. The main feature of the app is its straightforward interface, making it easy to navigate your accounts, schedule payments, and track spending. Users who prefer handling everyday banking tasks without visiting a branch may find it especially helpful. It also supports alerts and notifications to help you monitor account activity in real time. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean layout, reliable mobile check deposit, and overall ease of use. The app performs well for basic banking needs and is considered dependable for daily account management. Users also note that transaction history loads quickly and the app remains stable without frequent crashes. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report limited advanced features compared to larger national banking apps, and certain services may still require visiting a physical branch. The app's design is functional but not as modern or customizable as some competitors. In addition, mobile check deposit may have deposit limits that vary by account type. In summary, the Bank of Farmington app may be worth using if you want a simple, secure way to manage your banking needs, deposit checks, and monitor account activity from anywhere. However, if you're looking for more advanced digital tools or highly modern app design, it might feel limited depending on your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.